In this video, we're going to focus on the height property, and we have used the height property already multiple times. However, now it's time to explore really how we can use the height property to control, for example, the complete height of a screen. So for example, here, let's look at this. We have here, and we're going to control here the body. So if we're going to set here the body on a specific color, it's going to give this here a background color. And then we say here variable, and then we say here dash dash color, and number 1. If we save this, and just put in here semicolon, and refresh, you will see we have here now the full width of the item. And this is fine, but if we would have, let's say, another div in here, let's assume we have this painting div here, and we'll give the painting div a specific color. We'll just put in this here, and you'll see here the height, solid, this is the border. Alright, so what I will say here, background color. And we make this black. And we save this here. And this is the painting. I have to give it a div, so let's say painting, this would be a div. I just realized that we have here this item, so I'm going to remove all of this here and remove the tutorial, or I can put this in here. There's a div. And this is the closing div. And then I need to just make sure what was the class name. The class would be pink. So the class equals painting. There you are. If you refresh here, you can see now the painting itself, or at least this class or this div, has a different size. Let's double check here what's the real size here. Do we have anything here going to this? Or let me remove all of these. And the button as well. So in here, we have the background, and this painting has a specific width or height depending on what is included in here. Most likely it's because there will be certain topics in here or certain values in here. So I'm going to remove everything here. But we have this div here. You can see this is starting to control it, but let's remove everything now. Maybe we can even remove the border color here. We save this now and then refresh. You can see now our item here. Let's double check. What is this? What is the color of the div? Is black. Alright. And then we have this color here. This is white. So let's make this blue to see it clearly. Refresh here. I don't see anything here. Where's the paragraph? Oh, alright, this doesn't exist. So we say here a class blue. I just put in here dot blue. And then refresh. Make sure that we save this one and then refresh. There you are. So you can see here now what's happening is we have this height, or we have not set a height at all. We just have a completely blank item here, where we have the painting, but the painting now has a black wall basically, and has the width. Well, what's the width here exactly? The width here right now is set on whatever the width is indicated based on what's in the content. So if the content contains a width, it will grab that width, and you can see here now, if you would check here for the information, you can see, or the width, or the height, sorry, the height is only 37 pixels. So what we're going to do now is let's readjust this and change the height. And here we can do, for example, 100 pixels. If we do 100 pixels, it will start to expand. And of course, this is fine, but sometimes you want to have full width. So what we can do here is, for example, 100%. If you do this, what happens here? The 100% is the width, basically based on what is needed. And you want to do full width, but now it doesn't work here. So what we have to do here, instead of 100%, we say VH for vertical height. And then you refresh, and then as you can see, our vertical height, so basically the maximum here, controls the complete width. And now, if we refresh, you can see here, well, the height here, at least this specific height, is 37, but the div painting itself is a full height, which is 607. That is correct because the maximum height right now is 607. And this is the way how you can control with the height item. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.